Hello friends, I'm here in St. Augustine, Trinidad, and there's a place that does undercarriage wash. And this good man here, he was very happy when I asked him if he'd like me to show up his skills in doing undercarriage washes or underwash for vehicles. Basically, you put your vehicle on a ramp like this, you disengage your handbrakes or foot brakes so that the wheels can spin freely. They open the bonnet so that the vehicle engine can cool down. Preferably before you do this, it's best to get your engine cooled down. Basically, the underwash is using a high powered hose and jet stream with plain water to get rid of all the dirt and muck and stuff that you pick up from the roads. It also involves using a bit of diesel mixed with water, which further takes off any rust. It sort of acts like a polish almost for the metal as well, as diesel is a very good cleaner. It also, diesel is also a bit oily, so it also acts as a lubricant. You'll see him using the diesel just now. The other aspect of undercarriage wash is that the person washing the vehicle will actually take a rag and go manually under different parts that cannot be reached even by the jet stream of the water. Now I was doing this because I was getting ready for inspection. This is one of the requirements before you get your vehicle inspected, that you must have an undercarriage wash. And by the way, sometimes the person washing will offer to use oil after the wash to grease down the metal parts of your undercarriage. But do not do that if you're going for inspection, because the inspector doesn't want to see oil, because they'll be looking for oil as in leaks. You see where he has that little white container in his hand that has diesel in it, and he's using the pump mixed with water to get it all over the engine. Sorry, not the engine, the undercarriage. Although they do that in the engine as well. But in this case, I wasn't doing an engine wash today, I was just doing undercarriage. And you can see how clean it looks. You should try doing this every so often to keep your vehicle up to par and keep your parts from rusting. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and let your friends know. If you know the guy, let him know about this video. Thanks so much for watching.